Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix a problem when you want to install games from Google Play Store but you can't seem to find them on OnePlus Nord CE free Lite. And to do this, let's open a Google Play Store. Right here, if we try to find a game like Call of Duty, it's not here and there's no way to find it. And to fix this problem, we'll need to go back, click on your profile picture, navigate to the settings, select family, then enter parental controls. Inside you can either disable parental controls entirely or go for apps and games, enter the PIN code, click on OK and increase PG to 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards, and if you try to find the games again, it's right here and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.